into Crooked Common Law, a Canaan Bonaparte production on the Tobago Festivals Network.
If you ever see a life flash before your eyes, then you go understand that the great beyond is a place of serious mystery. In 5 seconds, you will ask yourself, where you going? What your family go do when you're gone? And if you go ever find your way back? Hard questions. What if you're like me and the people you bear your soul to is the same people plotting your death? Then your questioning does have to get different. Roll, Jordan, roll. Roll, Jordan, roll. Look, I want to go to heaven when I die, to hear when Jordan roll.
Are you relatives?
Yes, husband and daughter.
She could be okay, doctor?
I can't confirm right away. I am going to liaise with the medical technicians who brought her in and run my own assessments. Please, sit out here. As soon as I have word on her condition, I would report, all right?
Doctor, please. Told her she died now, please.
Yes, doctor, please.
I'll be back shortly.
See, catch your breath. Martha will be okay. You will only make yourself anxious and frustrated. If you keep stressing like this,
Why? Why, uncle? Why it takes so long to help she?
I was just as afraid as you, Denise. What happened? You feel everybody could bear to see somebody they love out of breath? I didn't know what to do.
It have a big difference between not knowing what to do and not doing nothing at all. And you just stand up there like, watching she waste away.
Denise, I don't know where you're going with this, but don't try to blame me. If I could give your mother my last breath, I would have. You know this?
I don't know anything. Let we just pray, mommy good.
You see ungratefulness? I'm not tolerating that from you, eh? You hear what I'm saying?
What you talking about?
You feel it's now me and your mother pick up or what? Your mother was sick. You don't feel if I wanted to...
Mr. Webster and Miss Nurse, a moment in my office, please.
Doctor, my name is Philbert Nurse, Martha's husband.
Good evening, Mr. Nurse. Please, step into my office. Let's discuss this.
What happened to my wife?
Daddy! I don't know what happened.
It's okay. I am here now. It's okay.
Who invites you here, partners?
Daddy, I'm so glad you come.
Don't make this moment about you. I didn't come here for you.
I didn't ask you that, I asked who invited you here.
Let me make something clear. You see, my family, I will show up for my family whenever they call. And my daughter call, so I come.
Can everyone please calm down?
Denise, what you call you for? You losing your mind or what?
If you don't want me and you to have serious issues, try not to raise your voice when you're talking to my child, eh?
Your child? And what you gonna do? You have no rights here. Furthermore, the same route you take to come in is the same route you will have to take to leave. Just leave.
Gentlemen, please.
Daddy, just leave now. I will call her when we're done.
You see, Denise, this is what has get me cross with you, As soon as Martha fall, you pick up your phone, quick, to call Philbert.
Yes, because I she father, and I have a right to know what's going on.
All right? Where you was, Where you was when Martha fall sick, bad the first time, Where you was when D break she hand? You's a father when you want to be.
The last time I checked, my name still on the marriage certificate, you know. And Martha never one day asked me for a divorce, eh?
That's uncalled for. Gentlemen, please, please.
You know why, King Liar? It's cause she didn't want nothing to do with you. Doctor, ask this man to leave here immediately for me, please.
Anybody to leave here is you. You know, and you see the next time you come up...
Daddy, I'm begging you. Just go now.
Denise, use the causa.
Hello.
I don't want to hear
I
you.
could damage your bad.
Damage me?
Gentlemen,
When you see a senior...
please,
Damage me.
please, calm down.
I'm the man of the house, you know.
I have something to say.
Don't come with
Gentlemen,
this stupid boy.
Martha is
Yeah, what you know?
dead.
Mom is dead!
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.